Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make cod with coconut chutney. So these are nice fillets from Costco. I love this fish. And so first what we're going to do is add salt to it, good nice salt. And this is our coconut chutney, which is on our food channel. The coconut chutney, we're going to apply it after letting this sit for at least 10 minutes with the salt. Well, hello there. So if you haven't subscribed to our food channel, which is the Topper Chef channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now we are proceeding to make our cod fillets. So all you do is take 1 spoon of it and generously spread it over the fillet well. Okay, so this is what not at the bottom. You don't want to put it at the bottom, just on the top, because the bottom is going to cook. So do this generously for all the 3 fillets, and then we're going to poach it, put it in the oven. Okay, so now I put the amazing coconut chutney on our 3 fillets, and I'm going to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for at least 10 minutes, so it poaches really well, because these are thick fillets. Okay, so here's our tasty poached Indian coconut chutney fish. Here's our potatoes, and top it off with some nice lemon. Voila, here's our dish. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on our blog, which is thetopperchef.com. Happy cooking!